Hi, I'm Derek with Evolution Wheel. Today we're at the World of Asphalt in Nashville, Tennessee, and I thought I'd address a question that we get asked all the time by our customers. What tread pattern would you recommend for my machine and my application? We've got 3 different options for our skid steer. We've got the all-terrain, the hard surface, and now the slick that we offer to show you the features and benefits and talk about the different applications that they're used in so that you can make an informed buying decision. Okay, so the first tread option we're going to talk about is the AT, all-terrain. Basically, this tire was designed for traction, pure traction. If you need to go somewhere, this tire was designed to get you there. There's a lot of void space in the tread, on the sides, throughout the middle, and into the next side. Surface area in contact with the ground with this tire is 36%, which means we've got 64% open space. Open space in the sides, throughout the center, and again to the other side to really allow for material clean out, mud shucking technology, getting rid of material, and keeping the tire from plugging up. You'll also notice that there's no center wear bars, so that as the tire wears, you're still getting traction from 0 to 100%. And then you'll also notice that the lugs are really tall and wide so that they're self-supporting and stable. So the customers that we're going to see typically buying this tire on the ag side is going to be, your typical farmer, general purpose use, or feedlot application, dairy application, places where you need traction and you have to move a lot of material. We'll also see fence row contractors and things like that. Guys who are doing tree cutting, they'll be buying this type of tire. On the construction side, we're seeing customers in the landscaping business who are trying to move material, snow clearing, that kind of thing. That's typically who we see buying this tire most. Let's move on and talk about the HS next. Okay, so the next tread pattern to talk about is going to be the HS series. This was designed completely different from our all-terrain in that it has a bidirectional tread versus a directional tread. It also has significantly more wearable rubber over our all-terrain. This has 66% surface area in contact with the ground versus 36% on our all-terrain, which means that it's going to have twice as much rubber to wear and is going to give you, basically, its direct correlation, double the wear life. Really designed for customers who are on hard surfaces or severe applications and they need additional wear life, larger segments that can handle more abuse, larger lugs, that kind of thing. So this is really the tire that was designed for those customers. Commonly we see this sold to transfer stations, paving crews, rock quarries, demolition contractors, dairy application, people who have yard machines that are turning on gravel all the time. We'll see it with landscaping customers who are going on and off pavement all the time, utility contractors who are going on and off pavement all the time. Particularly with landscapers, the one thing to think about is that, most people think I need a traction tire for that application, but in fact they're using the skid steer to unload trailers in the middle of the street and it's acting like a forklift. Take the load off, do a spin or a 180 in the middle of the street, and boom, you're wearing your tires. Another good application for this product. Long story short, if you need traction and wear life, the HS would be the way to go. Okay, so option 3 is going to be the SLK series or the slick. Really, we designed this tire for a pretty niche market, but it's going to be customers who are always on concrete, always on asphalt. This has 100% surface area in contact with the ground versus 66 with the HS, 36 with the AT. So you've got 100% wear compound all the time in contact with the ground. It's really going to maximize your wear life, and it really doesn't matter about traction for a lot of customers who are going to buy this because they're always on level ground, they're always on asphalt, and they're always on concrete. Customers we're going to sell these to is going to be waste transfer stations, asphalt paving, milling head companies. That's where this tire is going to go into. Okay, so to wrap things up, 3 options are AT for all-terrain, HS for hard surface, or SLK for slick. I'm Derek with Evolution Wheel. If you have any questions, give us a call. We're always here to help. We'll help you match the right tread pattern to your application needs.